This video will outline what being a certified Dell engineer is all about and what happens every day. Please note, you need to be certified by Dell and have your own Working with Children certificate before you can participate in any repairs. Dell certification training takes 14 to 16 hours and can be done online at home at your leisure. You do not have to pay for the training or certifications as we do it through our DSP, Dell Service Provider, program. This role is working in a corporate environment, and our dress code is business casual. No sneakers, no t-shirts. There will also be repairs at people's private residence, for example repairing Alienware gaming PCs. We do not charge or take payment or sell anything. We just troubleshoot and repair the hardware. We are required to restore the client's PC to perfect working condition on behalf of Dell. We also update the BIOS every time and identify other faults. The work orders, on average, take anywhere between 15 to 40 minutes to complete. This is an average. Some can take longer if there are issues, but most are completed around 35 minutes. We must provide Dell with detailed repair notes for each work order repair via the app on our phone. Remember, we must restore the PC to new condition, update BIOS, and provide detailed troubleshooting notes for each repair to Dell. Dell read every engineer's comments to understand the fault, the troubleshooting, and the repair you performed. Scheduling. We have a full-time scheduler who arranges the work order repairs directly with the clients the previous day. You will know the previous night what work orders are planned for you the next day. The schedulers do all the scheduling and planning with the customers and also get your parts ready for you. All you have to do the next day is pick up the parts, follow the schedule, and do the repairs. So everything is ready and planned for you. The scheduler will also typically allocate work order repairs close to your area to minimize your travel. Where possible, we will schedule multiple repairs in one office. There may also be times the scheduler will require you to do repairs in a different area/location a bit further out. The parts. The parts depot is run by DHL in their own warehouse. DHL prepare your parts for the repairs and you have to go past and collect the parts every morning before 9:30 a.m. The parts are supplied by Dell and are pre-arranged for your repairs that day. The parts are owned by Dell and we have to return the faulty parts from the previous day. This means we must return the faulty parts and collect the new parts each morning at DHL. The repair process. Once you collect your new parts and return your old parts, Dell requires us to call the client in the morning. This ensures the clients know you are still coming and they are ready for you. Contacting the clients also prevents rescheduling. The clients get notified of your scheduled ETA the day before. They can see you arriving, like Uber deliveries, as the Dell app has a GPS function which Dell require to be on. Once on site, we are courteous, friendly, no swearing, no social media, etc. We must use anti-static mats and take care with clients' valuable PCs. We validate the fault, perform deep troubleshooting before starting the repair. Once the fault is confirmed, we start the repair and replace the faulty parts, SSDs, RAM, motherboards, LCD displays, touchpads, keyboards, etc. If the replacement part does not fix the issue, we troubleshoot more deeply to identify the real fault. Then we can order further parts and a repeat repair via the Dell app. We must always write detailed explanation in the apps to show the diagnosis performed to uncover the new fault and justify more parts ordered. A new repair is easily created for another day. This is all done using the Dell application on your phone where we can upload pics to Dell, order new parts. On completion, we must get a customer signature, they sign on your phone. We do not do anything other than hardware repair, we don't do data backups, or fix other hardware, just Dell hardware repairs. We kick off and install the native operating system, especially if we replace hard drives. Tech support. When you are on site, you have a direct phone line to Dell Tech Support to help you troubleshoot and help you if you find issues. We also have a private WhatsApp group where all our engineers can chat and ask for help guidance from your teammates. You will also get regular tech bulletins with tech tips and info from Dell. Your performance. We must be reliable and dependable. We cannot have engineers disappearing or not turning up to scheduled client repairs. Dell greatly values on-time attendance. More than anything, you must be well-mannered and customer-friendly. No swearing, respectful, dependable. Always be neat and tidy at the client's workplace. Quality engineers are measured and valued by Dell. 1. Firstly, your detailed troubleshooting, diagnosis, and quality first-time repairs, how skillful you are at repairs. 2. They value clear, detailed repair comments in the apps, so Dell see how skillful you are. 3. They greatly value following the process and attending on time, hitting your ETAs and following the schedule. 4. Being customer-friendly, neat, respectful, and courteous in front of clients is most important. 5. Finally, always returning parts and not holding on to old parts. That is the overview. Thank you for watching.